Hey everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase screen timeout in Windows 10 so your screen stays on longer when you need it. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens the main menu where you can access all your programs and system settings, making it the starting point for changing any Windows setting. Step 2. Type Settings in the search bar and press Enter to open it. The Settings app lets you control all aspects of your computer, from display options to system preferences, so it's essential for this task. Step 3. Click on System within the Settings window. The System section manages core features like display, notifications, power, and battery, which is where we can adjust the screen timeout. Step 4. Scroll down until you find Power and Battery, then click on it. This section helps you manage your computer's power usage and screen behavior, ensuring your device saves energy while staying functional. Step 5. Under the Power section, locate Screen and Sleep and click the drop-down menu. Here, you can see options for how long your screen stays on before turning off, which is exactly what we want to adjust. Step 6. Adjust the screen timeout settings for on battery and when plugged in according to your preference. You can increase the time so your screen stays on longer while working, or decrease it to save battery when needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.